Back in the 1600s, the first omnibus rolled through the streets of Paris, marking the dawn of public transportation. Fast forward to today. More efficient, greener new energy buses connect people across the globe. The story of public transport has always been about carrying more people, traveling further, and building better lives. Behind this progress are countless public transport professionals working tirelessly around the world. At Yutong, we keep raising the bar, pushing boundaries, and striving to be a trusted partner in public mobility. From bold innovation to rigorous testing, Yutong stays at the forefront of the industry. We invest relentlessly in R&D, turn advanced technologies into real-world solutions, provide robust vehicles for the world's diverse terrains. We have built a global service brand, raised the bar for after-sales excellence, created a strong worldwide network. Delivered dedicated support for major international events, and offered fast, reliable, comprehensive full lifecycle solutions to our partners. Through localized operations, we've moved from simply exporting vehicles to co-creating transport ecosystems, bringing jobs and opportunities for the locals. Beyond business, there are moments that truly matter. Promoting school bus public welfare campaign that taught children about road safety. Planting trees worldwide for a net zero future. Hosting events that inspire low-carbon lifestyles. And standing alongside communities when disasters strike. Public transportation is more than just moving people. It's about shared responsibility, commitment, and progress. Thanks to the commitment of those in this industry, cities thrive, lives improve, and the world feels closer than ever. To everyone working in this industry, thank you for your passion and vision that drives innovation and progress. Together, let's keep building greener public transport and create better lives for everyone.